Barbecue. Just the word makes your mouth water, right? It's more than just food. Barbecue is an event, a party on a plate. The smell of smoky goodness in the air, the feel of the warm sun on your skin, and the sound of laughter and good conversation, that's the magic of BBQ. And at the heart of it all is the sauce, the flavor-packed nectar that brings everything together. You can buy BBQ sauce at the store, but there's something special about making your own. It's easier than you think. With a few simple ingredients and a little bit of love, you can create a sauce that will have everyone licking their fingers and asking for more. So fire up that grill, put on your apron, and get ready for a finger-licking good time. Before we start cooking, let's gather our ingredients. Don't worry, you probably already have most of these in your kitchen. We're keeping it simple and delicious. First up, we need ketchup. Ketchup is the base of our sauce, giving it that classic red color and tangy flavor. Then, we need some sweetness. Brown sugar is our secret weapon, adding a touch of caramel-like goodness. For a bit of a kick, we're using yellow mustard. Don't worry, it won't be too spicy, we just need a little for flavor. And finally, no BBQ sauce is complete without a touch of vinegar. We're using apple cider vinegar for its mild, fruity flavor. That's it, just 5 simple ingredients that combine to make BBQ magic. You can find them all at your local grocery store. Now are you ready to start cooking? Let's go. Now the fun begins! Making your own BBQ sauce is super easy, even kids can help. First, grab a saucepan. You want one with a heavy bottom so the sauce doesn't burn. Now pour in your ketchup. Then, add the brown sugar, mustard, and apple cider vinegar. See, we told you it was easy. Now turn the stove on to medium heat. Stir everything together with a spoon. You want all the ingredients to melt and become friends in the pan. As the sauce heats up, you'll start to smell that delicious BBQ aroma. Keep stirring until the sauce starts to bubble gently. That means it's ready. Turn off the stove and let the sauce cool down a bit. Be careful, it's hot. Once it's cooled, give it a taste. Is it perfect? Or do you want to adjust the flavors a bit? That's what the next section is all about. Here's the fun part, making the sauce your own. You can add different things to your sauce depending on what you like. Want it spicier? Add a pinch of cayenne pepper or a dash of hot sauce, like it smoky. Stir in a teaspoon of smoked paprika. For a touch of sweetness, try a tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. You can also experiment with different types of vinegar. White vinegar adds a sharper tang, while balsamic vinegar brings a rich, complex sweetness. And if you're feeling adventurous, try adding a spoonful of your favorite fruit preserves. Peach, apricot, or even fig jam can add a unique and delicious twist to your BBQ sauce. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to make BBQ sauce. It's all about what you and your family enjoy. So get creative, have fun, and don't be afraid to experiment. Who knows, you might just discover the next BBQ sauce sensation. Now go on, fire up that grill and get saucy.